I don't know what this is. I'm so sorry.
We don't see anyone coming.
We don't know what this is. If this is paint or some
We are
chemical.
going to full paint
No idea, but please sound the alarm. They did say that they want to intercept us in a very calm way, but this is not what's happening. Okay, they're dropping chemicals on us. They're dropping chemicals on us. We don't know what it is. Look at this. Look at this. They are being intercepted.
Please, go to your places. Ditch the phone.
There's a drone right above us lighting its lights. We are getting into position right now. This is take cover.
Don't stay inside.
Right now they're jamming our comms. They are saying random stuff just to jam our communication.
Okay. You're masking our face right now.
Calm down.
Look at this. Look at this. They are. I don't know what this is. I'm so sorry.
We don't see anyone coming.
We don't know what this is. If this is paint or some chemical.